Here we go. 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 Here we go.
Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Central Coast Bass. I'm actually at Pinto. It's kind of a rainy day. I have today, tomorrow, and the next day. Didn't really feel like going anywhere else. Hadn't been here in a while. A lot of my viewers keep asking, hey, Pinto's open, you're gonna go back there? So I'm back here. I already saw a guy catch fish, heard of a couple others being caught. So I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can catch some fish in my old home lake, Pinto. Hope you enjoy it. Somebody caught a fish. He's way far away and I don't feel like walking over there, but this is a lazy video. It's a distance fish. And there goes the release. Oh yeah, look at that, a fish. I'm not catching anything. I need footage of any fish.
Fine. 13th one today.
Your what one?
13th.
I won't lie, it's a really sucky day. Seen two fish caught. Rick, Greg, Ricardo, all the locals are here. Nobody's getting anything but like one fish. I haven't even had a bite. I'm gonna keep trying. I throw the crank around. I've thrown the flicking around. Now I'm gonna switch to a jig. I'm gonna try and get something out of my old local lake. A fish. A little keeper. Oh, he's snubbed, huh? Like a broken back when he was little.
I don't know, it's not like the third bite I've had right there too.
What was that on? Stickworm?
Just a little wacky
Oh, yeah, little stickworm. Nice. It's a fish. Acrobatic little sucker. I'm hiding out from the rain. It's like really raining now, like actual rain.
It's been ugly out there today.
Everybody's taking off. Like, supposed to be some light rain. Now it's turning into this bubbles on the water. It's raining so hard. I might actually have to put on my rain gear. I'm just hiding out in front of the boathouse under the little roof thing right now, hoping it lightens up. It's only like 5 o'clock. Got a couple hours. I want to try and catch fish.
Huh?
Look at that, I actually caught something. A little like 9-incher on the spinnerbait, on our pro single blade spinnerbait. Proves there's something out here. Let me let this little guy go. Alrighty, scored another little guy. About the same exact size on the single blade spinnerbait again, or pro single blade spinnerbait. Pardon?
They'll get bigger.
Yeah, I hope they get bigger. Yeah, there's another guy over here fishing. He said he caught one already. Alright, I think I had another bump out there too, so I'm gonna get back to casting. Let this little guy go. Third little fish on the spinnerbait. And I had a good one hooked out there that popped off. This one hit it right when I was bringing it out of the water. Yeah, sorry no hat cam today, but it hasn't stopped raining. So it's just this update style, but still back at my home lake and I found something there hidden. Let this little guy go.
Yeah, it's 7:30, but hey. Nope.
All right.
Nope.
All right, that's gonna do it for this edition of Central Coast Bass. What's wrong? Where are you going?
I don't like cameras, home.
I bring out the camera and he runs away.
What's everybody leaving ready for?
I don't know.
Incognito, bro. Broke till 7:30.
Alright, yeah, that's gonna do it.
Fast bastard.
Like I said, sorry about no hat cam, but it was raining the whole time. But they just got through treating the water, and everybody says it's been slow since then. Probably, he said
Nice guy.
might have changed the alkaline, the pH or something, but they're still biting. Next 2 days I'm gonna hit up some other lakes, but I'll definitely be back here and fish pinto from shore again. Hope you enjoyed it, and please join us for our next Santa Cruz Bass Fishing Show.
Yeah.